Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on your Binance account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email on Binance, firstly go ahead and launch open your Binance application. The home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. Click on Binance icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on your profile name or your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now all you need to do is click on Security and tap on Email. To change your email on Binance, click on pen icon right next to your current email address. Confirm changing of your email address by tapping on Continue. Enter a verification code sent to your email address and tap on Submit. On the next page, enter your new email address and tap on Get Code option. A verification code will be sent to your new email address. Enter a verification code sent to your new email address and tap on Submit. This is how you can change your email on your Binance account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.